how to set blank profile picture on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook account. So now simply tap on the profile icon available in the top left corner. So after you tap on the profile icon, you'll be navigated to your profile page. So once you are in your profile page, simply tap on your profile picture and there will be a drop down menu appear on your page. So you can see the view profile picture option available there. Tap on it, then tap on the three dot option available, then simply delete your profile picture. So after you delete it, you can see there is a blank image option available, or if you don't see that, then simply go to your home screen and wait for a while and tap on the Facebook app again. So after you tap on it, you can see there is a blank profile picture option available here. So if you want to post or if you want to have a blank profile picture on a Facebook without deleting your profile picture, then you can simply go to any web browser on your mobile device and search for the blank profile picture option available there. So after you tap on it, there will be a long list of options available. So you can choose any blank profile picture according to your personal preferences. So here I'm choosing this one and simply save it to your phone. So after you save it to your photos, then go back to the Facebook app again, and inside Facebook app tap on the camera icon available on your profile picture, then tap on the photo you have just downloaded. After that, set it as your profile picture. So that is it. By following these steps, you can effectively set a blank profile picture on Facebook without deleting your current profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.